Alice, there are so many alucobond panel factories in China. Can you tell me the advantages about your Alucoworld factory compared with other factories?
In fact, I don't know what our advantages are, but I can tell you the characteristics of our products. First, our products have been used by our customers mainly on the exterior wall of the buildings. Second, in the past 20 years since Alucoworld was born, we have undertaken more than 2,000 projects around the world. You can find the projects that use Alucoworld in every country. Third, we have prepared a large number of stocks around the year, waiting for you to buy any quantity at any time. Fourth, our sales experts are all from construction field. They can give you the most professional procurement plan according to the details of your project.